Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Pretty and Innovative Things. With this new video, I'm welcoming all of you. In this video, I'm going to give you an amazing collection of designs and ideas for crochet bunnies that are loved by the children and the mummies too, because the mummies want to give super cute toys to their babies. You know, every child loves to play with toys, as we did in our childhood periods. Almost all of us loved toys, and you know, it is a period during our childhood when we want to play with these things, and while selecting the toys, while selecting these things, our choices about the toys of our children, we think about the comfortability and so many other things of their interest and so many things that make the children feel happy and they get pleasure while playing with them. So these ideas and designs are surely going to give you a view of the trending items, and if you are like so many women around the world staying at home and you want to utilize your time in some positive activities, then these crochet bunnies are for you, and you can design and made some of them or a few of them for your own babies or for some your friends. You can even gift these things because they are super cute gifts to give someone on a birthday event or to some newborn babies as a gift or to your friends for their newborns. It's upon your choice. On your screens you can see super cute bunnies and toys that are so cute. I'm just loving them, and I hope you are loving them too. And if you are liking my collection, just do one thing: hit the like button and subscribe if you are new. So on your screen, see other pictures and ideas. These are so amazing. And one thing more, that while seeing these ideas, these bunnies, you can have an idea about the trendy toys that are now prevailing in our markets or that are so trendy among the world. You can see these crochet made toys and bunnies are so good that your children would surely loving them. There are so many ideas about the color scheme actually, because when we try to make something with crochet, our creativity actually, the style and the things which are we going to adopt, our creativity depends upon all the things, and the stylish look and the final look of the things that we try to make depends upon our color choices, our pattern choices, and especially the latest trends. So on your screen you can see, if we follow these trends or get ideas from these things, then we may get an idea about what is going on these days, what are the stylish things, what are we going to give to our children, what are we going to give people around us. Even you can give these things as I told you earlier. So let's discuss what these things are about, what are the color patterns. This is a cute one. You can see, I hope you are liking it too, and these ones are also super cute. I think all the children would surely love these because these are so adorable and these are also cute, and all of them are so easy to make. No difficult pattern for them would be given, I think. And this one in white is so cute. Some babies love white color, so this would be for them. And this one with carrot is so amazing. I think every viewer would fall in love with this one because it's so cute. So your creativity can make the things like these brown and white ones. These are also so cute, dark colored ones. And this yellow and skin or gray contrast and with the black color in it is also so prominent. These toys are also so cute. Almost all the baby girls love these kind of toys. And this one is also so cute. This is so cute, and you can see this is so beautiful. And the best thing about crochet is that we create the things by our own hands without wasting our time, and it gives us an inner kind of pleasure. We feel so happy when we design or create or style some things with our own hands, because doing the work with our own hands and doing the things with our own choices is so cute. And another thing is that doing hard work is actually the key to success. If someone works hard in life, surely the success would be in part of that person, because success never lets a person fail. Although sometimes it happens that we may fail if we try for the first time, but the first try is not failure if we fail apparently. Actually, if we fail, we learn so many things, we get so many experiences from life, and it gives us the strength, stamina, and courage to stand up again and go for the things again. And doing the things again and again, practicing the things makes us perfect. I believe in this. I think you would believe it too. If you agree, tell me in the comment section. So this message is for those who try to do crochet for the first time and perhaps they get failed and they feel disappointed that they are not able to do any kind of things. But this is not truth. Actually, if you fail for the first time, it does not at all means that you would fail in your every attempt, but you would surely succeed at the end someday. And this is not something difficult. If you think everyone can do this, the need is only that you have to pay attention to the patterns, you have to be careful and curious about the things. And the most important thing, according to me, is that if someone wants to do something, then he or she can do something. And if there is something that is difficult for you at the beginning, it does not mean that the thing is difficult in reality, because it happens that sometimes we see the things that are apparently giving us a difficult touch, but actually those things are enjoyable when we start doing those. So not having any idea about the things in depth does not mean that we can't do anything. You can do anything, you can design the things, you can give ideas, you can spread love and happiness. And it happens on your own will, on your confidence, on your courage, on your stamina, and your will to do the things that makes you feel pleased at the end. And your kids will be enjoying these toys, I'm sure. If you design and make these with your hands and gift someone, that person would be surely loving these, because these are adorable. No one can dislike these because these are so cute. Almost all the humans may fall in love with these ideas and these pictures. And I am surely appreciating those people who are creating crochet works, crochet items, and making them so popular among the world. And this is a very much interesting activity that can give you pleasure, that can give you profit as well, and your time goes well, you enjoy so much, you feel the things like happening around and everything in your hands. You can do what you want, you can design what you want. Nothing is impossible in this world. I think you believe in this, because the key to success is hard work. So do hard work, pay attention to the things, be concerned. And one more thing about human beings is learning, because learning goes on with our life. It never completes. It's a process that continues I think for the whole of your life, we keep learning the things almost at every step of our lives. And if there goes something wrong, it does not mean that we have failed. It simply means that we are learning, because the people who do mistakes are actually a symbol that they are doing something. And doing something and to get failed is not something that is ridiculous or that is to be ashamed of. Actually, the ones who take part in competition are far better than the ones who don't try and don't take part in any type of competitions. So if you are liking this collection, hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see some other ideas and designs, please tell me in the comment section. And one thing more, that I would be bringing so many other videos of this kind, crochet made items